Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use your Gmail account to create Google Forms that you can share to people and invite them to your upcoming event. It can be a birthday party or a meeting that you want people to attend. So you can create this form and send it to them so that they can register ahead of time and actually show their availability for that particular event. So just follow through this video as I take you to very easy steps you can follow to do this. Stay tuned. Okay, now head over to your browser. For this we'll be using the Google Apps. As you open the email address, you go to Google Apps at the top right corner. And you are going to look for Google Forms, but it's not located here. So now you go onto Drive, because all those are on the Google Drive. So as it loads, you head over to New. As you click on New, you click on New and you see Google Forms. So let me close this pop-up. So you click on New and you see Google Forms. As you select Google Forms, so Google Forms will load. So these are the sections that opens when you start the Google Forms. So the top one there is where you write the title of your invitation. For this video, I will be saying this to be my birthday party invitation. Birthday party invitation. And here I can add the description as kindly attend my birthday party. Okay, and also for this next section now, we need information about the people we are inviting. And now we write, as it will be a short answer, so we ask for the full name of the person. And also we add another section. For this other section now, it will also be a short answer. We want to know the email address of the person we are inviting. Like so. So after this section, we have to know the location. Oh, sorry, I omitted the O there. The location of the person. It will be a short answer as well. We go ahead and add another section. Actually, you can also use different location, like using the multiple choice or So here the next one now, we will be choosing the gender. So for that, we have to use a checkbox, because the person will be selecting either he or she is a male or a female, or prefer not to say. So here we can add female. And one other thing you can add is order. If you select order, but it's not suitable here, it's not too suitable for this section, so we can go ahead and delete the order. We use it in another separate section, because you can use it whether if the person is not male or female, he wants to say something that he can. So we close it and we just say what Google suggested, prefer not to say. So that's it. Now we go for another section. So this also will be a short answer. We want to know the category or description of the person, where the person belongs. So we say class. We name it as class. So we want to know the category of the person. So for this, we use multiple choice. We say 6. Just select random numbers. So for this multiple choice, the person can select up to 2 or 3. So, or they can select whatever. They can select all the classes that we mentioned here. So that's it, and we will add another. Another thing you can do is to make these fields mandatory, so that somebody will not be messing around with your form, just want to disturb you, not entering the required information. So you put this as required. The person must key in all these questions that you ask. So without filling them, they will not be able to proceed or submit. So you add another section for this. We'll call it as comment. If the person have any comment to do, or either question to ask ahead of the event, they can put it in this section. So you can either use short answer or long or paragraphs for it. So we had another one where we ask for consent. We ask for the consent of the person for him to use, him or she to allow the use of personal information. So we only say yes or no. There are check boxes. We'll say accept the use of personal information. Yeah. So for that, we don't need to make it as required. We preview the form. So this is the way the form will look like when you send it to the people you are inviting. As you can see, I think the form is good to go. Everything is fine here. So we go back and we go ahead and publish it. As you go ahead and publish it now, we are going to next. So the next step is to copy the link. And after we copy the link, we can shorten it actually, but we just leave it as it is for now. We can share it anywhere we want to, but let's manage it first. The people that will want them to see the responders of this form. So I'll be adding another email address of the person I want to also see, respond, and even edit. So this person I'm adding can also remove the name of the person who registered, but maybe you don't want them to be part of this, and you select it as editor so that you give him the right to edit also this form. So now let's paste the link we copied earlier. So it's loading. This is the way your form will appear to people when you share it to them. So we'll test and we'll say John Kaba. We'll just write in a single name and see the way our form is performing. John Kaba, and we'll say for the email address johnkaba@gmail.com. the location we'll say Bow City. Bow City, and we select the gender as male. We'll say class 6, and I like the idea as the comment. So after that, now we can accept the use of personal information. Yes. So in case you want to send them later email addresses to remind them of something else, if they accept, then now we have submitted the response. Let's head over to the original form and see. As you can see here now, there is response. There is one response. So as you go through it, this is the statistics, the summary. So you can also link it to a sheet where you see the names of people that have registered to this event. You'll see them in the Google Sheets like an Excel table. So anybody that's keying their information, so this sheet will store their name. This is very important, and after everybody signs in, you can just easily print it. You can even modify it as well. You can remove those you don't want their names to be there. So as you can see, this is something you can do easily. Just follow through the steps. It's very simple to do. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.